Maths tutoring for everyone. Learn to enjoy maths and let us help you along the way. In this lesson you will learn how to expand single brackets. Don't forget, if you like our lesson, please subscribe to our channel.
Right, okay, so today we're going to look at expanding single brackets. So the first one we're going to look at is number 1. Yeah, and the bracket is 3x plus 5. Okay, so everything inside this bracket here, yeah, will have to be multiplied by this number here. Okay, so the first step is to go 3 times, so 3 times x, okay, and this will equal just 3x. The next step is to times the 3 here by this 5 here. Okay, and this will be 3 times 5 equals, well, 3 5s are just 15. So this is your first term here and your second term here. Okay, so it will be 3x, you have a plus sign here, okay, so plus 15, and this will be your final answer. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 is 8x plus 7. Same as the previous one. Okay, it's going to be 8 times x. Well, 8 times x equals just 8x. Next step is 8 times 7. So 8 here times 7 equals 56. So don't forget, we still got a plus sign just up here, okay, and we still have to use this plus sign. So it's going to be 8x plus 56 as our final answer. So number 3, this one's a little bit more tricky. I will explain it as we go through. Okay, x plus 4. So our first step will be x here times x. Okay, so x times x. Yeah, okay, be careful here, this does not make 2x. This x times x will equal x squared. Okay, our next step will be x times 4. Okay, x times 4, so x times 4. Okay, it makes x4, but we do not write it like x4. It's always written 4x. Okay, so we have a plus sign which is here still. See, yeah, so this plus sign here. Okay, then it's x squared plus 4x. That's our final answer. Right, number 4. Okay, so 6x minus 2. Okay, exactly the same as when we was doing plus signs here. Yeah, in the previous ones. we're now going to do it with a minus sign. Nothing changes, okay? So it's literally 6 times x equals 6x. Okay? Then we're doing 6 times minus 2. So 6 2's, yeah, 2 6's, either way you do it, is 12. Okay? 12. Okay? And you can put a minus sign here if you wish to. Okay? So that is 6 times minus 2 equals minus 12. So our first one is 6x. This one, minus 12. And this is our final answer. Okay? Let me just move my paper up a little bit. Oh, it's gone up a little bit. There you go. Okay. Right. Number 5. Okay. This time we've added a letter into it. Makes no difference. Okay. It's still pretty simple. Okay. So it's 6 bracket 2b plus 4. Okay. So 6 times 2b. Okay. So 6 times 2b. Okay. 6 times 2b, you only times the 2. You do not need to time, it's not 6b's. It's just times the 2. Okay. Okay, so that will equal 2 6's are 12. Yeah, 6 2's 12. Yeah, either way you do it, it makes no difference. Okay, so it's 12b. Okay, the next step is 6 times plus 4. So 6 times 4. Okay, so 6 4's, 4 6's, 24. Okay, so 24 and plus sign. Okay, you can either add the plus sign here if you wish to. It's entirely up to you, so you don't forget. Okay, then it's 12b plus 24 as your final answer. Number 6. Okay, this one is the one where most people will make mistakes. Okay, so minus 6x minus 5. Okay, so minus 6x. So this is your first step here. Minus 6x. Okay, so minus 6 times x. So, well, 6x is 6x. So it's literally just minus 6x. Okay, don't forget to put the minus sign in. This bit's really important. Okay, the next step is minus 6 times minus 5. So minus 6 times minus 5. This is a bit where people get confused. If you multiply a negative by a negative, yeah, you will get a positive. Okay, so 6 5's are 30. Okay, but the minus and the minus is a plus, so it's plus 30. Yeah, this bit here is a bit where people get most confused. Okay, so it is plus 30. Right, so to complete this, it's minus 6x plus 30 as our final answer. I hope this makes sense. We will be doing more follow-up videos on this if you're getting a little bit confused. So if you do like our channel, please follow it and subscribe, and we'll be putting more maths questions up every day for you.